Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is the Start at Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and most riveting sports discussions on the whole internet.
Yeah. So we'll be having a very interesting debate, well not even debate, a discussion right now. We'll be talking about who is the best youngster in the English Premier League this season, not just right now.
Just generally, the best young player.
And as usual guys, we want you guys to participate in the discussion. Let us know in the comment section right now. Who do you think is the best young player in the Premier League right now?
And then while you scroll down, for going to the comment section for type it in, like the video, subscribe, and then share right quick.
Right now.
Do it now.
Alright. There we go.
Let's get right into it.
You wanted the criteria?
Alright, tell them.
I just want criteria. 23 and younger. So any player in the Premier League right now, 23 and younger, can make this list of who is the best young player in the Premier League. And 23 is very young.
And guys, we're not necessarily going to ordinarily list them. We're just going to basically
just discuss it.
Throw some names out there and talk about who we think should top. Right now, a very rich list of young players.
Yeah. So you want to kick it off with who you think is the best?
Alright, well, I think, in my opinion, and he's
between two people.
Which two you have? You have Phil Foden.
Phil Foden and Bukayo Saka.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't think anybody else can compete with those two right now. And the two that...
Based on the stipulation, the under 23 stipulation, that brings into question Declan Rice. He comes into the conversation.
Rice is 22.
Yeah, maybe if it was 21.
No, but Declan Rice is getting more game for England than Saka.
That's the point that I'm trying to make. So if it was 21, I think it would have been between Foden and Saka. However, now that we have expanded, our criteria, because most awards give it to 21 and younger, but because we expanded our criteria, because we still believe at age of 22 and 20.
You're still a young player.
Because we are 23 guys, and we consider ourselves young.
Yeah, we're young.
So because we are 23 and we consider ourselves young, we just expanded the criteria to 22 years old and under. And because of that, Declan Rice has to come into that conversation, because Declan Rice is the most pivotal West Ham player.
I would love Declan Rice in the Arsenal midfield right now. No doubt. And this guy's just 22 years old?
Yeah, he's the best player at West Ham right now. He's not going to be at West Ham for much longer. And he's
the captain.
He's a mainstay in the English national team.
Yeah.
Right?
So he's a top three. Top two for you are Declan Rice and Phil Foden.
Yeah.
I made up put Bukayo Saka up there. You want to talk about some other players?
Alright, so like honorable mentions in the young player category. Of course, we have to rep for Arsenal boys.
I don't think this is a bias either.
Martinelli, Emile Smith Rowe, those two guys are ballers, let me tell you. And they will just continue to improve and get better. God, do you see how well Emile Smith? If you were supposed to just separate or isolate this season or these last 2 months of football,
he's not the best youngster.
He's the best. That's exactly the point that I'm trying to make. But because we have prior knowledge to know that Phil Foden and Declan Rice are outstanding players, regardless of their age, we have to put those two guys in the conversation. However, based on the unformed guys under 22 years old, Emile Smith.
But Smith to have like 8 goals in the Premier League and 2 assists or something like that.
Ridiculous.
It's crazy. As a youngster, he's 21 years old.
Yep.
So but some other players to mention, in the Chelsea team you have Reece James.
Reece James is, I think, a top 3 wing back, top 3 right back at least in the Premier League right now. He gets forward, he gets assists, and he scores goals too, bro.
Yeah.
So Reece James, mention, a very young player, very outstanding.
I know in the Liverpool midfield you have the Curtis Jones. Curtis Jones is a very good player. Scored the other day. And I think we'll be getting some game right now, seeing that Liverpool midfield is very, very light. So Curtis Jones, big player. You have some other player to mention. You have Eze for Crystal Palace. When you talk about somebody that them always compare to Saka and the Fodens, bro.
Oh yeah. How could we have left out
Mason Greenwood?
Mason Greenwood. By the way, Mason Greenwood, if you're watching this by some chance,
yeah.
Sort out the passport now. Come play for Jamaica. Yo. We'd really appreciate it. You get me? I say? Yeah. And come to Jamaica, we have only.
Two of them man could have played for Smith Rowe could have played for Jamaica. Reece James could have played for Jamaica. Mason Greenwood could have played for Jamaica. What is going on?
Yeah, man.
It's like every black man, I always run the joke. And say every black man in England can play for Jamaica or something.
Emile Smith Rowe not even black, bro, for sure.
My God.
So come me like to know every Englishman. But yeah, so Reece James recently, he got his English call up. kind of broke my heart. Emil Smith Rowe got his English call up, it broke my heart. But even in the pipeline, but this is not a reggae boy video, but there are other English young players in the pipeline that we need to get call-ups from now, you know, Max Aaron and so on and so forth. But that's not even what we're talking about right now. He's 21 by the way. An outstanding young player. Yeah, he should be involved in this conversation as well, you know? So I think, guys, Phil Foden right now.
Yeah, I think Phil Foden is the best player under 22 years old right now.
And I think second is Declan Rice.
Yeah.
You know, and then...
For me, second is Bukayo Saka.
Do you think Saka is better than Rice?
Yeah, bro.
I just think Declan Rice...
It's hard still. We know the people probably are going to disagree with that. Probably
outstanding player.
Probably an unpopular opinion.
He plays so
Declan
mature.
Rice.
You know, and he does everything on the field very versatile.
Brother, you don't think Declan Rice are like 25, 26?
Yeah,
because he's been playing in the Premier League for so long.
And Declan Rice can play anywhere from the 6 to the 10, bro. Very versatile.
And Declan Rice plays on the back line sometimes.
Good player.
And he's a captain of West Ham.
So I have to put Declan Rice right up there behind Phil Foden, and then close behind Saka and Greenwood. Yeah. You know, and then below them, you know, is a tier below you have Emil Smith Rowe, and then the rest are guys that we mentioned earlier would fall in that. That's my somewhat ordinary rankings, guys, but don't take it for long. Yeah. You know, we're just a spitball, we just a discuss with each other and with you guys, you know, bringing you involved on or inside discussions. Because this is essentially what we sit here and talk about all day, almost 24/7, guys.
We just record it now.
Yeah, we have no lives. We just come and we just talk about.
You have no life. How did I you tell? Really?
Why?
But yeah, one thing I want from the channel though, I want more interaction. So I need the people to be commenting on the videos, share the videos, even take a snippet and send it in our DM on Instagram, this or that Sports TV. You know, let us know what you guys think, if you disagree or if you agree with us. Who is the best young player in England right now? But yeah, that's it. Give them the maths and then we're out of here.
Alright, so before we go real quick, a quick one guys today, you know, just for whetting up appetite.
Yeah. More to come still. More. Yeah, go on.
Anyways, guys, if each one of our subscribers can get us 5 subscribers, guys, do you know how many subscribers that would bring in by the end of the day?
Wally.
Guys.
But I feel like we just said that and them just glass over it. People actually like share the group to people, share the video to people where you know watch football no man. And it's the English Premier League video. So share it in the WhatsApp group them now, in the ball game group them now.
Cause this is a good discussion, who is the best young player.
Yeah.
You guys, when you guys talk about it, share it, tell your friends, make them know, you get me I say. We are 2 young youth, just like you get me I say, the elders them I watch, just share the video. You know, military crew and say HBO, help a brother out. Yeah. Teeth down there, you get me I say. Right, let's see what I say. People like the video. Yeah man, so I just one love. So thank you so much for coming back again, guys. Share, like the video. This was This or That Sports TV, guys.
Yeah, we're out.